Hi everyone and welcome to Skinmart. My name is Susan and today I'll be talking to you about PCA's Ideal Complex Eye Cream. This cutting-edge eye cream strengthens, firms and lifts the skin around the entire eye area. This unique formulation utilizes the latest science, combining proven ingredients in a single formulation that can be applied directly to all areas around the eye, including the eyelid, to treat all the common concerns of aging eye area and achieve dramatic results rapidly. The addition of optical diffusers provides instant brightening and leaves the eye area fresh and healthy looking directly following application. There are many benefits from this PCA eye cream. I suffer from hereditary dark circles and I found that whilst I cannot completely remove my dark circles, I found that the area is not quite as dark. The eye cream I also find very hydrating, rejuvenating, and it minimizes the appearance of my fine lines and wrinkles. Now, all skin types concerned with aging can use this wonderful eye cream. Now, you would use the Ideal Complex after cleansing and applying any PCA treatment serums. You would pat a small amount around the eye area and directly to the eyelid twice daily. The Ideal Complex works with any appropriate PCA Skin Broadband Spectrum SPF product in the daytime and your moisturizer in the evening. Also, just a note, the Ideal Complex is also formulated in a gel for those who prefer to use a lighter texture. If you would like to purchase the Ideal Complex eye cream, please go to our website at skinmart.com.au or simply click on the link below. And also, just a reminder that Skinmart now offer face-to-face consultation. If you would like any help with your skin concerns, please just go to our website and organise a booking online. Thank you and have a great day.